They say a man made a deal and the other beckoned him with eye. Hazrat Umar, seeing it, understood that he was his partner. Hazrat Abdullah bin Hisham radiyallahu anhu, who found the Prophet times, reports his mother Hazrat Zainab bin Humayd took him to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, take an oath of allegiance from him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he is extremely young. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed his hand over his head and prayed for him. So Zuhra bin Ma'bad narrates, when his grandfather took him to the market and purchased grain, he came across Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhum, and they said to him, accept us as partners with you, for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam blessed him. Thus he made them his partners, and they got a profit equal to load of a camel, and then they sent him home. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2501 and 2502.